You gotta get a wrench, man.
Okay.
It's almost done.
The bullet.
It's done right. It's done right.
Yeah, right, yeah, at home. We're putting in a new suspension, springs, shocks, and we're gonna do 9 seconds at the quarter mile.
String shocks.
Hold on. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Show them the box, man. Show what's in the box over there.
In the box? No, that's top secret. Can't do that. Hold on. We'll do the that's the old ones.
Look pretty, huh? Look pretty. Give it a kiss.
Now we're gonna get a tool, whatnot. Yeah, these are all 8-second cars, Fast and Furious.
I know it can be done, dude. It can't be that fucking hard.
What? Oh. Yeah, we're having troubles with the Maximum Motorsports. Okay, yeah, we're not. We're just showing you how the Maximum Motorsports Panhard is a piece of shit. How we changed.
Burn out tires, man.
Oh yeah, huh? This was from the last video I shot. Tires are destroyed. Look at that. 400 horsepower. 400. Hey, how much horsepower do you lose from to the wheel?
From what? From the fly speed?
Yeah.